On this occasion, the sun is actually a cold body. I would like to send you an urban legend. The theme that the sun is actually a cold celestial body. It is a very challenging and interesting hypothesis from the point of view of physics and astronomy. This idea is that gives a distinct view from the usual scientific understanding, and it suggests a new approach to better understanding the universe. Now, considering this hypothesis in detail, nature of the sun, physical processes, and let's take a look together at the impact that it has on our view of the universe. 1. Basic properties of the sun. Structure of the sun. The sun is a huge sphere of gas composed mostly of about 74% hydrogen and about 24% helium. High temperature inside. It is a high pressure setting. A huge amount of energy is generated by nuclear fusion reactions at the center. The structure of the sun is as follows. Core at the center of the sun, where fusion takes place. Temperature reaches about 15 million degrees. The pressure is very high. It is said that energy is transferred from the radiation tank core to the outside. The energy is transmitted to the outside as radiation. Outside the convective layer radiation tank, heat is transferred by retention. Yeah, the temperature drops here. Energy reaches the surface, in the part where the visible light of the high-grade sun is radiated. It's the surface of the sun that we can see. Cell place. In the outer layer, cells are thousands of degrees. Corona reaches millions of degrees, where solar energy originates. The energy of the sun is mainly produced by the fusion reaction of hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms fuse at high temperature and high pressure. A huge amount of energy is released in forming helium. This energy, emitted from the sun's interior, it reaches the earth as light and heat. The sun is an essential source of energy for our lives. It plays a crucial role in Earth's climate and ecosystems. D. Hypothesis of the sun as a cold celestial body. Definition of a cold celestial body. A cold celestial body is generally low temperature, or a celestial body with little thermal energy. The sun usually known as a hot object. If you think of it as a cold celestial body, we must consider this perspective. Relative temperature. The sun's surface is about 5,500 degrees. In the vastness of the universe, we need to think about what this temperature means relatively. Release of energy. The amount of energy emitted by the sun and its effects are. Explore how it relates to its nature as a cold celestial body. Scientific basis. To dictate this hypothesis, scientific evidence is needed, such as comparison with other celestial bodies. Comparing the sun with other stars and celestial bodies. How cold it is relatively, I will consider. For example, some compositions exist while being much cooler than the sun. Mechanism of solar energy release. Investigate the mechanism of the energy emitted by the sun and its efficiency, and find out the factors that explain the coldness. Understanding the coldness of the sun from a relative temperature perspective. The universe's temperature, because it varies due to many factors. Rather than simply looking at the temperature of the sun as hot, it is important to analyze from a relative point of view. Cosmic background radiation. There is a faint background radiation throughout the universe. This is about 2. It's 7K. Compared to my base environment like this, the sun may seem hot. On the vast scale of the universe, it can be said that the sun is relatively cold. Energy release. The energy generated by the sun, although significant, not everything reaches Earth. Of the energy emitted by the sun, a limited percentage reaches Earth. Thus, in considering the influence of the sun, actually the energy that we receive, and it is necessary to compare the presence of the sun to the entire universe. 4. Effect of the sun's coldness. Impact on the Earth. Understanding the nature of the sun, it is important for the planet. When considering the impact of energy released from the sun on the Earth's climate and ecosystem, it's crucial to consider the sun as a cold celestial body. Climate change. The sun's activity and energy release significantly impact Earth's climate. Viewing it as a cold celestial body, we can reassess the impact of solar fluctuations on the global environment. Impact on ecosystems. Energy from the sun is essential to life on Earth through photosynthesis. Understanding as a cold celestial body, It may provide new insights into the origin and evolution of life. Position in the universe. The view that the sun is a cold celestial body. It is vital when considering the universe's structure and its relation to other celestial bodies. Composition evolution. Thinking of the sun as a cold celestial body may deepen our understanding of the evolution of its composition and its lifespan. Through comparison with stars of different temperatures and energies, we can review the role of the sun in the universe, expansion of the universe. To grasp the temperature distribution and energy flow in the universe, the perspective of the coldness of the sun provides a new view. 5. Conclusion. The hypothesis that the sun is actually a cold celestial body is providing a new perspective on our intercosmic space. By a relative understanding of the properties of the sun, it allows us to reassess the impact on the structure and ecosystem of the universe as a whole. This theme is very challenging in scientific exploration, although could be key to our comprehension. By considering the nature of the sun as a cold celestial body, we re-evaluate the universe and its relation to other celestial bodies. You can continue your scientific quest. Such a new perspective it will play an important role in future scientific research and space exploration. What did you think? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.